Today, I'll show you how to fix the G-Mic noise problem step by step and get clean professional audio. Method 1. Check gain levels. Turn on your G-Mic receiver, go into the gain settings. If the gain is too high, you'll hear hiss or background noise. Lower the gain until your voice is clear without distortion. For most voices, -6 dB to -12 dB works best. Method 2. Enable noise reduction properly. On the receiver or G-Mic app, enable noise reduction. Use it only in moderate environments. Too much noise reduction can cause robotic or muffled audio, so test before recording. Method 3. Check mic placement. Noise often comes from bad mic positioning. Clip the mic 6 to 8 inches from your mouth, not too close and not too far. Avoid rubbing against clothes or necklaces. Also use the windshield if you're outdoors. Method 4. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause audio issues. Open the G app, connect your G mic, and check for updates. Install the latest firmware and restart the system. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.